But you know. But you know what? My top piece here. Oh, very show bit in the car them. Now with that teeth, you know. Come like I wrap them. You know, put in a pallet here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, tell you now. What is that? What chicken there? Eh? Are you TV? Eh? I thought man can't buy it. Are you TV? Are you taking it down? Are you taking it? I can't. I can't buy it no man. Chicken gun, man. I can't buy it no man. Chicken gun there. Mayo. Yes, you don't go down here, man. I won't. You know what? We got place there.